You've probably heard that salt causes high blood pressure, right? Well, that's actually a huge myth. Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Butts, a doctor of dental surgery and the owner of Camp Creek Dental in Atlanta, Georgia. My goal is to give you the tools you need to optimize your health so you can take control of your own well-being. You are responsible for your own health, okay? So, guys, it's been drilled into our heads for decades, but the reality is way more complex, all right? Salt isn't the enemy it's been made out to be. The fact is, salt is actually essential for the human body. But here's the thing, not all salt is created equal. And we're gonna get to that today, all right? First off, your body needs salt to function properly. Every single cell in your body relies on sodium to help regulate fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contraction. All right, so without enough salt, your body can't transmit electrical signals properly, all right? You know how important that is? The electrical signals is transmitted through our fluid matrix, and that is what makes things happen. How we breathe, how we exhale, how we blink. All of that is a slight electrical current that makes that happen, all right? So that's how your body communicates with the rest of your body. That's how your brain communicates with the rest of the body. So when people talk about cutting out salt completely, they're actually talking about depriving the body of something it absolutely needs. Now, where did this whole idea of salt causing high blood pressure come from? Your doctor, okay? A lot of studies linking salt to high blood pressure were based on refined, processed table salt, the kind that's stripped of all its natural minerals. So the kind at your favorite restaurant, just table salt. If it's on the table, that is not the salt to use, okay? It's cheaper, it's processed. It does put a little flavor in the food if the food isn't flavorful, but maybe you're at the wrong spot. Maybe you shouldn't be eating over there, okay? Because if you're adding salt to your food, talk to the chef, all right? Anyway, it's a totally different thing. Like table salt is completely different from the quality of salt that your body can actually use, all right? So when we're talking about salt, we're not talking about salt. We're talking about the right kind, which is where the game changes, okay? Let me break it down for you. There's different types of salt, and most people are using the wrong one. You want to avoid highly processed table salt. The salt you actually want is something like Celtic sea salt, or real salt, or Himalayan sea salt. Now, these are salts that are unrefined salts that come from ancient seabeds or natural ocean water, and they contain a full spectrum of trace minerals. Minerals your body can actually use to finish and start processes that are needed in order for you to do things like this or this, okay? All right. Now, these unrefined sea salts contain over 80 essential minerals, including magnesium, potassium, calcium. All of these minerals work in balance with sodium, and that's key. When you consume real natural salt that has these minerals, it doesn't throw your body out of balance the way processed salt does. Plus, these salts haven't been bleached or stripped of their nutrients, so you're getting the real deal. Here's another thing to consider. Metals and impurities. Some salts are actually cheaper because these metals and impurities are placed in them in order to bring the weight up so that they can sell it. So it's very important for you to go for high quality, pure sources like Celtic sea salt, real salt, or Himalayan sea salt, okay? These types of salt are naturally harvested. You're not getting the chemicals or potential contaminants that come with some of these more industrial options, okay? Salt is also crucial for hydration. You always hear that you need to drink more water, right? Well, if you're drinking a lot of water without enough salt, you're just flushing essential minerals out of your system. So the salt helps your cells absorb the water better, more properly, and keeps your electrolytes balanced. So If you've ever felt like lightheaded after a workout, well, it's just that your body is really craving more salt, all right? If you're hydrated and not getting enough salt, all you're really doing is nothing for yourself, okay? So you gotta drink water with a little pinch of salt, okay? Choose your salt wisely, grasshopper, right? Celtic sea salt, real salt, Himalayan pink salt, okay, are your best bets because they're packed with the minerals that the body actually needs. And it will support your proper hydration and cellular function. So it should go without saying. You have to avoid processed foods, processed junk that can actually mess with your blood pressure because it's pumped up with so many chemicals in order to make it last longer on the shelves, in order to make you addicted to it, all right? There is zero fast food places that are better than the other fast food place, all right? Now, when you buy convenience, you are actually buying an earlier death. You are buying a lower quality life because you said it's convenient and it's cost effective as everything has gone up in price, okay? But I promise you, it is way more expensive to take care of your health after you've gotten some kind of chronic sickness than it is to actually take care of yourself right now. Right now, you are responsible for your own health. Not your doctor, not your mom, not your dad, not your children. You are. And if you're going to be responsible, I'm trying to share with you these little things so that you could be like, you know what? Let me just do this, and let me do that, okay? Guys, get it together, all right? Now, we were talking about blood pressure, right? Blood pressure, if you've been told to limit your salt because of high blood pressure, the real culprit actually might be something else. So if you're eating processed foods or things like sugar, lack of exercise, lack of sleep, you are not detoxing. These are the things that can cause hypertension or high blood pressure. But salt, especially the right kind of salt, is not the culprit here. In fact, cutting out salt too much can throw your body's natural balance off and even make things worse. The key is balance. Nature is balance. You are balance. So keep that in mind. The next time someone tells you that your salt is going to ruin your health, remember this: salt is crucial, but only if you're getting the right kind. So switch to unrefined, high-quality salts like we spoke of: Celtic sea salt, real salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, and you'll be giving your body exactly what it needs. If you guys want to know more about how to feed yourself well, I got a bunch of videos on blood type meals. Check out this blood type O meal right here.